Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Today another topic is column chromatography. It is too important topic. In this video, I will tell you what is column chromatography and its principle and its process in 4-step web diagram. So guys, अगर आप हमारे चैनल को पहली बार आए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन कर दें जिससे आने वाले वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे. So guys, let's start. Column chromatography is a chromatographic technique used to separate mixture of chemical substances into its individual compounds. Column chromatography is a widely used method for the purification or separation of chemical compound mixture in laboratory. Firstly, I will tell you principle of column chromatography and then I will detail explain with diagram. You can see one of this diagram and with 4 steps of this diagram. First is, second is, third is, and fourth last. So guys, firstly we will discuss principle of column chromatography. Column chromatography consists of two phases, one mobile phase and another is stationary phase. The stationary phase is solid and the mobile phase is liquid. The compound mixture moves along with the mobile phase through stationary phase and separates depending on the different degree of adhesion to the silica of each component in the sample or the compound mixture. Explanation. The stationary phase. Firstly, you need to see this diagram. It is large circle inlet. It is outlet. In this diagram, upper side filled by solvent or mobile phase, in the middle mixture of compound and the bottom stationary phase. In the bottom glass bowl and the last I will detail describe in front of you. A glass tube with a circle large inlet. A glass tube with a circle large inlet. You can see this part and a small outlet with a plug or tap and a small outlet with a plug or tap. You can see bottom part of this diagram. Named as column is used for this column chromatography. This column is placed vertical. With a stand where the outlet is downward. A piece of cotton glass wool. You can see glass wool. A piece of cotton wool is entered into the outlet and placed over the plug. If there are no glass wool present to stop escaping the stationary phase from the column, there are two procedures to prepare the column: wipe packing with silica or aluminum. Two methods: first is dry method and second is wet method. I repeat it. A piece of cotton wool. You can see bottom part of this diagram. A piece of cotton wool is entered into the outlet and placed over the plug. If there are no glass wool present to stop escaping the stationary phase. In the bottom stationary phase. escaping the stationary phase from the column. There are two procedures to prepare the column by packing with silica or aluminum. First is dry method and second is wet method. So guys, firstly I will discuss with you dry method. In dry method, at first the column is filled with dry powder silica. Then the mobile phase, a suitable solvent is flushed through it until all the silica are wet and settled. From this point till the end, always the column need to keep wet with solvent. In wet method, what's bevel? In wet method, firstly, a slurry of silica and solvent is prepared and then poured onto the column using a funnel. More solvent must be used until the silica is settled into it. Now this process. Its process I will explain with you in 4 steps. Column chromatography works in 4 steps. Few steps. First is step first. The mobile phase or eluent is either solvent or solvent mixture. You can see this diagram. It is step first, step second, step third, step fourth. So firstly, I will explain with you step first. Step first. The mobile phase or eluent is either solvent or solvent mixture. The upper level of mobile phase should be same as the stationary phase. That means the stationary phase should be wet with the solvent. On this stage, the compound mixture what need to be separated or added from the top of the column in such a way that the top level of it is not disturbed. While turning on the tap below, it is allowed to adsorb on the surface of the silica. You can see step first. Mixture to be separated is dissolved in the mobile phase. ये क्रोमेटोग्राफी कॉलम है, इसके अंदर स्टेशनरी फेज भरा एंड देन I will discuss with you step 2. Mobile phase is added throughout the process. Step 2. Then the solvent or a suitable solvent mixture is added at first, touching the side of the glass column slowly and carefully so that the top level of the stationary phase is not disturbed. The solvent is repeatedly added as many times as needed throughout the process. Repeated step 2. You can see step 2. Mobile phase is added throughout the process at many times as needed. So guys, I will repeat it. I repeat it. Step 2. Then the solvent after the step 4. Step 2. Then the solvent or a suitable solvent mixture is added at first, touching the side of the glass column slowly and carefully so that the top level of the stationary phase is not disturbed. The solvent is repeatedly added as many times as needed throughout the process. Step 3. You can see diagram. Step 3. Component separates. You can see here you will be 3 colors: blue, red and green. Component separates हो चुके हैं. Third step. When the tap is on the compound, in the compound mixture moves along with the eluent depending on the polarity of the sample molecule. the non-polar component travel faster than the polar component. Repeat it. The non-polar components travel faster. The non-polar components travel faster than the polar component. Non-polar components travel faster compared to polar component. Suppose if any compound mixture contains three compounds, blue, red and green. Suppose you can see three components separates blue, red and green. Suppose if any compound mixture contains three compounds, blue, red and green. According to polarity, the order of these compounds are: blue is more polar compared to red. Red is more polar compared to green. That means blue is the most polar compound and thus will have less tendency to move along with the mobile phase. Step 4. The green colored compound will travel fast as it is less polar than other two. When it is near end of the column, a clean test tube is taken to collect the green sample. After this, the red and at last the most polar blue compound is collected, all in separate test tube. You can see in diagram step 4 for better understanding. Each component is collected as it reaches the bottom of the column. The green colored compound will travel fast as it is less polar than other two, because green compound having less polarity compared to red and blue. When it is near end of the column, a clean test tube is taken to collect the green sample. After this, the red and at last the most polar blue compound is collected, all in separate test tube. Thus, a compound mixture is separated or purified by using column chromatography. Summary: column layer chromatography is an chromatographic technique used to separate a mixture of chemical substances into its individual compound. Chromatography consists of two phases, one mobile phase and another is stationary phase. Column is prepared by mixing the silica with suitable solvent and poured into it a glass column. A suitable solvent mobile phase is moved along with compound mixture through the column according to the polarity. So guys, thanks for watching this video.